We recently revisited one of our commercial clients, Australian Bulk Foods, to see how their solar setup was performing since our installation in 2020. The team at ABF originally reached out to Springer Solar to source a clean energy solution to help reduce their power bills and reduce their reliance to the grid. Springer Solar have installed 110 SolarEdge optimised Q Cells Q.MAXX-G2 solar modules and a SolarEdge 3-phase inverter to take this business one step closer to energy independence. With a total system capacity of 38.5 kilowatts, this system has helped ABF reduce their electricity bills by approximately 75% per month, saving them over $12,500 per annum. With roughly 90% of their energy needs now covered by solar, this system should pay for itself in just over 2 years. If you'd like to find out how much solar can save your home or business, click the link in the caption or give us a call to speak with one of our in-house solar experts today. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like, comment and subscribe for more videos like this.